Hi, my name's Lexi Buck, and my title of the story is The Owl That Did Not Want to Be Nocturnal. Once there was a baby great horned owl. Then that great horned owl grew up to be a big great horned owl. It was a boy. The owl loved being nocturnal. He slept all day and played all night. All the other owls were nocturnal too, until he accidentally fell asleep during the night when he was supposed to be awake. Then he accidentally woke up in the morning, and he saw a whole bunch of blue and red birds all over the place. He could not imagine how many different colored birds can stay up in the morning. He just thought that because he is nocturnal. The great horned owl had never stayed up in the day. He watched and watched the beautiful songbirds sing. Then he fell asleep. The next day the owl jumped up and said, "I do not want to be nocturnal from now on." Then he saw the birds eating birdseed. He said, "I want to do that." He swooped down and landed on the bird feeder and ate all the birdseed. All the birds were mad at him. Then he flew away. He came back the next day. Then he said, "I will not be nocturnal anymore, I promise." That day he stayed up all day and slept all night. The owl was just like the other birds for a long time. The owl would sing in the morning. He ate birdseed just like the other birds. Then he even met a good friend. The other owls that were his friends were mad at him. But the owl liked being like the other birds. Then one of the other owls said, "Why do you not want to be nocturnal?" The owl said, "Because I like to be like the other birds too." Then the other owl said, "Owls are supposed to be unique," he said. "Does that mean you want me to be nocturnal?" The other owl said, "Yes." Then he said, "Okay." From then on, the owl was nocturnal. The end.